Once upon a time, one special outfit had been favored by communist leaders all over the world. This patriotic icon had once been known as the fashion of the communist world. It's so-called Stalin tunic, or Mao Suit. It may be hard to believe that in Taipei, a modern-day capitalism city, there is still an easy way to dress up like an old-school communist. Just walk into GU clothing store and pick up one CPO shirt. This is Nikolaev to the Whiskey Wayne Jr. He wears the shirt and blends into the street. Reading passport and a vaccination certificate in the suit makes me feel so patriotic, said Wayne. If you want to be as trendy as this young man, make an order on GU website now.